Hey guys, it's Oreo here, and today I'm going to be making slime. So I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make slime, and I personally like making these tutorial videos and showing you guys how to make these things. So if this video gets 4 likes, I'm going to make a flamethrower, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make it too, okay? 4 likes, flamethrower. Deal? Okay, so for this all you're going to need is glue. Any type of glue, clear glue, white glue, glitter glue, any type. I preferably use the Elmers glue. Then you have some sort of detergent. Make sure it has liquid starch in it. And see, I'm using Tide. Tide has a lot. So, and then you're going to need something to mix, or some container to mix in. Something to mix with, like the back of a pen or a spoon or whatever. And then your hands, obviously. So what you want to do is start off by pouring out all of the Elmer's glue, or however much you want, into the container. This part takes a little bit. And then make sure you get everything. Oh, I made a bubble. Okay. And now, in the meantime, I have to fill this up, put a little bit, fill up like a third of the way with water, shake it, and get it off. In the meantime, like this video right now, okay? Don't have to fill it up too much. I only filled it up like up to here. See? Elmer's glue, same bottle. So then you want to shake it up. Make sure the lid is on and closed tightly. And shake it up a ton. And then open it back up. And pour all the excess stuff out. Okay? You can use food coloring if you want. I'm just going to, since the Tide is blue, it's going to make it blue. And then you want to, so I'm just going to do that, keep it blue. Mix in the water with the glue. Okay. And now you want to slowly add small amounts of the detergent in. So I'm just going to add really small amounts. It always ends up best. So small amounts, and then mix. A lot of mixing. So I'm not sure if you can see, but it's blue. So, see, it's blue, or starting to be blue. Then I'm going to pour a little bit more in, actually. So just fill up the little cup that most lids have. Slowly pour little bits in. Okay, I think that's good for now. And mix, 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 mix. So, yeah. See, it's starting to get pretty slimy, sticking to this thing. Slime. When that happens, then you just need to keep mixing, mix, and see how it's getting blue. See, guys, in the beginning it was like a white, now it was like clear, now it's blue, and it's starting to stick to the sides of the container. And I think it needs a teeny bit more laundry detergent just to help it with sticking. So at this point, guys, you could be making this on your own. Just add really small amounts. See how now it's like actually a pretty good slime? See this, guys? So once it gets to a certain point, you're going to just want to pull it off the pen and just grab it with your hands and start mixing. Start kneading it. Actually, I think it needs a little bit more. Haha, I'm fantastic. Okay, so it needs a little bit more liquid starch. That way it's not going to be as sticky. You see, it's definitely incredibly slimy now. And yeah, at this point you just want to keep going, keep kneading it. Yeah, this slime, the more you knead it, the better it'll get. And obviously, best way to store it in an airtight container or a Ziploc bag or whatever you guys are going to be using. Just something that won't let air go in and out, or else it'll harden, because don't forget, this is in fact glue. And then if you feel that it's really sticky and you're working with it and it's not coming off, just slowly add little drops of the laundry detergent. I'm just going to be referring to it as Tide because I am using Tide. So in my opinion, Tide is the best and the easiest to work with. So you just want to keep kneading it, keep kneading it. So if this video, again, I'm repeating, gets 4 likes, 4, that's all I'm asking for. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if this video gets 4 likes, then I will make a flamethrower and teach you guys how to make it. And no, it's not going to be that trick with the lighter where you just move some of the gears around and it goes a little bit further. It's going to be a flamethrower that's going to shoot probably a couple feet. And, oh, that's not so much, but it has a wide range. And I've seen a lot of people do it, and a lot of people do it in a very unsafe way. I'm going to be showing a very safe way to do it. So as you can see, the slime is getting really slimy, and it's still sticking to my hands, definitely sticking to my hands, but I'm feeling some improvement, and see, it's kind of starting to come off. But this is really fun to play with. I suggest if you're an adult and you're trying this, try not to do it if you have babies, because let's just say Tide is not good to ingest. So continuously add little amounts if you feel that you need to. Spread it around, and then just keep kneading it, and eventually you'll be able to know when it's right, because it'll feel kind of like putty. So I think I may have put too much Tide. A little bit. Actually, no, it's kind of working its way in. So as you can see now, it's really slimy, and it's kind of starting to stick to itself more than to my hands. Oh shoot. So yeah, you just want to keep working with it for a couple minutes, and eventually it'll be good. Speaking of which, mine's getting pretty good. Right now to the point where I can't let it sit for too long, but it's definitely... So, just gonna dip my finger in there. And you just want to knead it for about 5 minutes. This video is probably going to be more than 5 minutes because I'm showing you guys how to make it, but look at it now. It's just sticking to the slime that's already on my hands. Oh gosh. Never mind. It's actually doing pretty well now. So as you guys can see, slime. And it's stretchy, really stretchy. It doesn't stick so much to your hands anymore at this point, and obviously rippable. You can put it down and stab it. I regret putting that down. Yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. 4 likes is all I'm asking for, and I will see you next week. Oh wait, before I will end the video, please go down in the comments, like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to see me do next, okay? If you'd like to see me teach you guys something or anything like that, if you want to see me do a challenge, so just go down in the comments and tell me what you'd like. And yeah, see you next week.